So Dan, what machines did you guys get to automate this whole packaging process?
We purchased back in 2020 our first Swifty Bagger 3600, and then once rec opened up and we realized our 2 knock boxes that we had wasn't going to be enough to keep demand with our pre-rolls. Since we already had 2 Paxium machines, they said let's look at Paxium for our pre-roll machine, and they ended up with this Joanna roll machine here.
Yeah, the wanna roll?
Wanna roll, yeah.
Like you wanna roll a joint.
You do.
Okay.
When I started, I helped start the pre-roll team. We were doing roughly around 5 to 6,000 pre-rolls a week, and we thought that was good. But once we got this machine and rec opened up, we were able to produce almost 75,000 a week. On our best week right now, I think we've done around 85,000. But even on our slowest days, we can still get about 40 pre-rolls a minute out of this machine.
Damn, 40 pre-rolls a minute.
A minute, yeah.
You know, I have this little pre-roller at home. I can crank out about 1 every 2 minutes. So this is like 10,000 times more efficient than me.
Pretty much, yeah. It's so controllable. So there's so many variables we can change. We can change how we pack the joints, how they look for each strain. Paxium actually came out when they set this machine up. They sent a tech out for a whole week, and we were able to. He showed me the whole machine. I had zero machine operating experience before this, and they took pity on me and did a great job showing me how to run this machine now.
Nick, you're from Paxium. You kind of are Paxium. What's your role at Paxium?
So I'm the vice president of Paxium. I'm responsible for our sales organization and service team.
Nice. And you guys are actually, as I understand it, you know, multinational corporation. You're shipping these things all to like different countries that are actually like manufacturing cannabis on a commercial level, right?
We were amongst the first within the industry when Canada first legalized and have installed packaging lines all over the world.
Yeah.
Our beginnings started in the food industry, food, pharmaceutical, and then gravitated to this new exciting world. District's been a great customer of ours now for many years. I think our first installation was about 4 or 5 years ago, starting with complete automated bagging line with our Swifty Bagger to produce over 2,000 eighths an hour. Most recently, about a year ago, is the Wanna Roll, a fully automated line to fill, compact, twist, and trim pre-rolls. You know, we produced over 10,000 pre-rolls in less than 7 hours, you know, in a completely automated process with one person.
People do not understand how packing a consistent joint is hard, especially at scale. And I understand that you guys have put a lot of like energy and effort and thought into making that happen in a machine like this.
The credit all goes to my father, Louis, who had conceptualized and really brought to the marketplace the Wanna Roll. So for us, when we started with the design process of the Wanna Roll, is that we need a machine that is so flexible that every customer could produce the joint that they want to bring to market, and ultimately for their clients, their customers to enjoy. There's a lot of pre-roll machines out there that may have only a few different set points or features. The Wanna Roll allows you to completely customize your compaction, how much we compaction, how deep, how tight, the type of twist, the type of trim, and you can't do that with any other pre-roll machines on the market. Then second was accuracy. All our weight cells in our machines are produced in Germany, highest performing weight cells in the marketplace. They're all NTEP certified. This is a process working hand in hand with the Department of Ag to ensure that your individual whey filling machines meet the most strenuous requirements at a state level. First stage is we're going to load the pre-rolls into the machine. We're going to blow open that pre-roll to make sure it's as round as possible. The second stage of our machine is an entire vision system. We're going to take a photo to make sure the cone is open. We want to make sure that we have as little waste as possible. What's unique to our Wanna Roll is that it has a built-in check weigher. So our customers can set the tolerance of the weight within the machine. Then the next stage, while we're filling, is the compaction. So what's unique to us is that we are compacting while we are filling. Then once we compact it, we go into a tamping station. The tamping is just a finishing process. We want to make sure the top is level before we twist it and then we trim it. You can set up an infinite amount of recipes, and then just recall your recipe for that particular strain, and voila, you have up to 4,000 joints an hour. The other aspects are all software based. We employ a really large automation and software team. So the Wanna Roll, all our Primo Combi weight filling machines, all include free online support. Our goal always is not to monetize service, it is to support you so you can get the most productivity out of the machine.
Well, Nick, let's fill some joints.
Let's fill some joints.